Welcome back to the channel. I am today going to an event that's near my house, and this is the perfect opportunity to test a new camera that I reintroduced into my bag, and this is the Fujifilm X100VI or VI, depending on how you want to call it. So I have it right here, and yeah, I'll be putting GoPro on my chest. I'm currently filming with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and if it wasn't, that difficult enough, I have a dog with me. So little Billy that you're seeing right here, Billy, will join us for the ride. So I have absolutely no clue how it's going to turn out, because that's a lot of things to think about. But hey, this is what we do on YouTube. We experiment, and I'm looking forward to seeing how this guy reacts to the 40 megapixel, or how this 40 megapixel will react into what is quite an overcast day right now. It's a mix of cloud and sometimes some sun. It's expected to rain a little bit later, so we'll see about that. But without further ado, let's go to the event. It's a local event in Montreal, so we'll see what we can find. Okay, so coming back from this little event in my neighborhood, got a chance to test the X100VI, and that was a very interesting way to test it because it was a lot of people. With the Q2, I'm actually used to 28 now, 28 millimeters, so this is 35 millimeter equivalent, as you know. So it was quite a challenge to frame when there's a lot of people and when it's a busy event. But I think overall, I really like this lens, and I really like the sensor. I was looking at the back of the screen. The 40 megapixel actually really helps when it comes to being able to crop afterwards. So I'm gonna be able to do it when I'm back home at the computer. But I already, saw some framings that took the photo from a little bit afar because I didn't want to interfere with the scene, knowing that I would be able to crop in with that 40 megapixel. So far, very excited about this coming back into my ecosystem. And yeah, I'll be doing more reviews on it. But for now, let's look at the pictures, because who cares about a random dude blabbering on YouTube? You want to see the photo, so let's go see that.